Right, let's do a retake of these two Liftronics, Unitronics MRLs at Park and Go Ferny Grove.
Level 1. Doors opening. Going up.
Got to level 6.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
Lift number CP2, we'll do a maximum load 1600 kilos, 21 persons, we'll do a cavity. While we're up here, this is a rooftop floor.
Level 6. Doors opening.
While we're up here, we'll take a look at the view before we go back down. There's the car park. Really nice. It's really nice. I don't know what mountain that is called. That could probably be the gap. It's really nice up here. Now we'll go back down.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
We'll try and stop at every single floor. It was built 2023.
Level 5. Doors opening. Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
This reminds me of Park and Go at Springfield.
Level 4. Doors opening. Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
But
Level 3. Doors opening. Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
does this have 3 doors? We'll take a look.
Level 2. Doors opening.
Are you going down?
Yep.
Alright.
Going down. Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Level 1. Doors opening.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
Blue Dewhurst US 91-EN. And does this have 3 doors? There's the fan.
Level 6. Doors opening.
No pre-doors.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
We'll end this on level 1.
Level 1. Doors opening.
There we are. There's the other one.
Going up. Doors closing.
There it
Please
goes.
mind the doors.
And that's it.